Hello, what's up Youngistan? Welcome to my channel Mandar's Daddy. Today we have a very interesting food story on chicken pizza and Subway sandwich. Yes, the ingredient is same, but the experiment is going to be very implementing for all of us, as I've made a lot of pizzas and you have seen me doing it. So let's experiment it together and implement it right now. As I'm starting with the ingredients, I've already sanitized my hands. So let's start with the ingredients. What and which ingredients you would make it easily. Right, you can see I've taken 150 gram of pressed pieces of chicken, 4 pizza bases, a Subway sandwich base. Then I've taken cheese slices. You can even take the normal cheese. Talking about the toppings, I've taken 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto, 30 grams of Szechuan chutney, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Even I've taken pizza masala on toppings and a mayonnaise. I've taken olive oil mayonnaise for the first time. You can experiment any mayonnaise. And talking about the vegetables, then I've taken 3 different colors of capsicum: red, yellow and green. I've taken spring onion, baby corn and lettuce for the salad. And here are pizza cutter, butter slicer, knife and spoons for different purposes. So let's start with the recipe. Just make sure you cut the vegetables vertically. Like this, so that you get proper pacing. Like you see, like this. Just make sure you don't cut your fingers. Be very careful. If it's slow, it's okay. I've cut the spring onion into a horizontal manner so that you can see the round shape like this. You can even cut the baby corn into the horizontal manner slowly. For cutting the lettuce, just make sure you cut it like a salad, small pieces salad, vertically, horizontally, as you want. Just make sure that it's thinner. The main ingredient, make sure that chicken is of smaller to a medium size uniformly, so that the pizza should be bhara hua. So finally, the plate is full of cutted ingredients. You can cut the capsicum even more smaller. Put black pepper, Ajinomoto and salt in this ingredients and cooked it for 5 minutes. Sideways, I have boiled chicken pressed pieces and it took almost 5 to 10 minutes for boiling it. Now I'm going to add the salt and I'm going to start for the other preparation. Make a special Mandar style sauce. First I'll be taking a Szechuan chutney. Now I'm going to put half in one bowl and half in another. It's the same. Now I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise. A half side is okay. Put mayonnaise more than the Szechuan chutney. Okay. Now in one bowl I'm putting chicken pieces. In another bowl I'm putting the vegetables which I had prepared. The cooked vegetables. You can even use corn instead of baby corn. It was available for me nearby, so I used baby corn instead. Okay, now just mix the chutney, the prepared sauce with chicken, you can see, and simultaneously I'm using another spoon because some people only eat vegetables, so vegetable sauce with it. And finally now I'm putting all these vegetables and chicken together in a base. The pizza base and the Subway sandwich, you have to take a pizza and pasta sauce and put it over the pizza, as well as the layers base of the Subway sandwich. You can even add mayonnaise in the Subway sandwich. Looks yummy and delicious. Once the base is ready, make sure that the outer layer is covered with the sauce, because inside as it is you're going to put a lot of toppings with the ingredients, but the outer layer should be filled with the sauce. Now I'm putting the ingredients. First I'm taking the vegetables prepared sauce which I've just made before. So I'm putting the vegetables sideways. I'm going to add the chicken sideways. Putting the ingredients in the Subway sandwich base. I have put the lettuce below. Now I'm going to put the ingredients, and then again on the top I'll put the lettuce. Pizza is filled with the ingredients, and now I'm going to put the lettuce on the top of the Subway sandwich. And with the same, before putting it in the oven, I'm going to add cheese on the top of the base as well as in the sandwich. Just a minute. Like this. One. I'm going to put two. You can both put cheese simultaneously both the sides. 3. This is ready. 4. Just a minute. Yeah. Now it's ready to put in the oven. It takes 5 minutes for putting it in the oven so that it gets properly cooked. And this first time I experienced with this cheese slice. Usually I put this kind of Amul cheese. So let's experiment it and implement it too. Now I'm going to put out the pizza from the oven. It looks very delicious. Wow, I hope you like it. Comment in the comment section. It's almost ready. So I'm again going to put the sandwich base inside the oven for 2 to 3 minutes, as it doesn't require much of cooking. See you after 2 minutes. And Subway sandwich is ready. Mandar style. I hope you like it. And now my favorite work is watching food and eating pizza. I hope you like my today's recipe. Please like, comment and follow my channel Mandar's Diary, as I'm going to put a lot of more recipes. So it's very important you stay connected with me, as Shravan is very soon going to be started. So I'm going to put a lot of non-veg recipes for all the non-veg lovers. And later on in the Shravan, veg recipes are going to be started. So please do follow my channel Mandar's Diary. Thank you so much. Take care. See you tomorrow.